Hi guys, how's it going? And welcome back to my channel. Well guys, today we're gonna do something completely different. You guys have been asking me about the color that I've been using for my hair, and I know in my last video I didn't post much because I'm gonna be honest with you, the hair dye that I was using is something that I wouldn't recommend because it contains a lot of chemicals. So that was the only one, because I was looking for one that something pink, but you know what, I started doing my research and I found are pretty good ones that are better than the ones that I used in the first video. So today this video is going to be about how I'm going to do my, not a root tosha, because I don't want to. I'm just gonna get a little bit more of like dark. This one I'm gonna use it only for my hair extensions, and the vegans that I bought, I'm going to actually use it for my hair. I'm gonna tell you, I bought this Arctic Fox. I'm gonna give you guys the information in there. I bought this too on Amazon. Both are vegan. Just because they're vegan, that doesn't mean that they're super good for you, okay? Because there's so misinformation out there. The fact that they label organic and vegan and things like that, they think they're super healthy. This one is new. So this is the one I'm gonna be using for my hair today, and I'm gonna tell you guys how that goes, because I used a mix of this last time and it went really good. It gave me a really nice thing. Let's do this. Okay guys, so let's do this. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to protect my hands because I don't want any pink color in my nails, so I'm gonna be wearing gloves. And also I'm gonna be using gel to protect my ears and around my hair because I don't want pink in my face. So that's what I'm going to do. I normally do this even when my hair was dark. It actually helps a lot. So now, oh my gosh, this is the first time I opened this. It smells delicious. But you know what? The color is super dark. So I'm going to try first on one of my hair extensions to see how it's going to look. Because I really don't trust. So I don't want any dark color. I just want a pink, but I want a light pink. I don't want a dark pink. So this is too much. It smells good, but I don't like it. It's too dark. So what I'm gonna do, and this is the trick, and it's awesome because it's going to protect your hair. So I'm using conditioner, and I'm gonna add some drops of this vegan hair dye, and I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna mix until I actually have the color I desire. So I'm gonna add the drops as much as I want because, okay, this is the perfect color. So I add about 2 or 3 drops of that hair dye, and then I'm gonna try it again on a different hair extension, and that's the color. So now finally I can actually do it on my hair. So I'm going to divide my hair in two sides, to say it that way. Oh, my son is something else. Okay, so this is gonna be easy, and well, I think one of the advantages to have like short hair is gonna be super fast to dye it. So I'm gonna use first this brush, even though I do not like it because I feel like it moved, like, I don't know, it damaged my hair and I don't like it. So after this I'm gonna use my hands for my tips, so I can actually spread really good the hair dye in all my hair. And it's really easy because it's conditioner, so it's actually really moist, so it's really easy to actually spread around my head and my hair. I'm almost done with all my hair. Well, I really hope you guys love my son voice in the background. But you know what? I'm a mom, so I have my baby around me. So I'm going to dye my hair extension. So this time I'm using a Carissa. Well, all my products are from Carissa. And I finished them all. But I'm going to be So as I said before, I'm using the other hair dye, but this one is not vegan or anything. This one I bought it on Walgreens. I show you guys what brand is it. But those I used like about 2 or 3 drops until I actually got the color I wanted for my hair extensions. And I let them sit for a while. I just apply a mask while I wait for my hair to be done. I'm gonna rinse now. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the final result. Okay, I really like it. He ended up looking really good. That's why I like to try first with my hair extensions to see the color. So the idea is to start mixing certain colors until you get that pink you like. That's what I've been trying to do, to try to get the pink I like. And because these colors fade so fast, that's what I've been hair using. Mask or a conditioner, and then I just add the colors I want. Even with the vegan one, the red one, it wasn't red, it's a dark pink. But if I were to use that dark pink, my hair would be like super intense, and I do not want that. I wanted like a light pink, and I know this one is gonna fade, but I already know how to do it. So I really like it. I really hope you guys like this video. And if you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video how this hair look with the hair extensions. So you see the difference, the color with the hair extensions and everything. Because, well, if I dye the hair extensions in front of you guys, I'm gonna show you the final results. This is how my hair looks with the hair extensions. Okay guys, so this is the final result. My hair extension actually matches my hair color, my hair. So I'm really proud with the result because it actually matches. It feels soft, it looks super pink, the pink that I wanted. It's gonna be easy to actually keep it up, and this is the good thing. What I show you guys is that you can actually use just a hair mask and conditioner and just add that one of your favorites or whatever hair that you're using at the moment. You're just gonna find that perfect pink color, and then you mix it, and then that's it, the way I show it on the video. Well, I really hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Well, thank you so much for watching, and till the next time.